Inquiry into role of cleaning sector during COVID pandemic imminent. MPs will shortly begin a significant inquiry into the role of cleaning and hygiene during the COVID-19 pandemic. The review, Embedding Effective Hygiene for a Resilient UK, will critically examine the national approach to cleaning during the pandemic. Recommendations will be taken forward to increase disease resilience to current common infections and help inform the UK's response to any similar future public health emergency. The review is being led by the All-Party Parliamentary Group for the Cleaning and Hygiene Industry. This is a group of 53 MPs and 2 members of the House of Lords, supported by the British Cleaning Council and the Royal Society for Public Health. Throughout the pandemic, the group fought for cleaning and hygiene workers' right to be recognised as key workers. APPG Chair Nigel Mills MP said, "We would all like to believe that COVID has gone away and there's no risk left, but that's not the case. None of us want to see any restrictions return, so it is key going forward to put in place measures that can improve hygiene levels, slow down the spread of infectious diseases, while letting us get on with our normal lives." The aim of this inquiry is to look at what those sensible measures could be, who should implement them, and what, if any, regulatory changes are required. The review begins on the 6th of September, with the aim of producing a report with the policy recommendations which will feed into the national UK COVID-19 inquiry. To find out more about the review details, read the full article in our cleaning, hygiene and washroom category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.